Today's video is sponsored by my self-haircut course.
It's your man Alex, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to give yourself an amazing self-haircut using a handheld mirror. To start off the self-haircut, using your trimmers, go up to about the corner of your eyebrow on both sides and then have a slight downward angle as you get towards the back of your head. Now using the no guard lever open, go up about 3/4 of an inch from the first guideline. So now to backtrack and erase that hard line, use the no guard lever open and then gradually close the lever as you're fading down and eventually getting to the lever halfway and then close position to finally knock out the hard line. And if you're still seeing a hard line after using the no guard lever closed, you can use the corners of your trimmer to knock out that hard line. Now using the number 1 guard lever open, I'm going up another 3/4 of an inch from the previous guideline. And again, making sure that the guideline is even on both sides of my head and the back of my head as well. Now to go in and soften up the hard line, I'm using the number 1 guard lever open and gradually down fading to the lever halfway open and then the lever closed. So now that we've softened up the hard line, we can go in with the half guard lever closed to remove the hard line completely. And if for some reason you're still seeing a slight hard line, go back to the no guard lever open and use the corners to remove the rest of the hard line.
Before we continue with the video, I want to thank today's sponsor, my self-haircut course. My goal with this course is to help you learn a lifelong skill set that will keep your money in your pocket and save you hours of your time every self-haircut by not having to drive to and from a barbershop and pay for an inflated price plus the tip. Take advantage of my self-haircut course, which provides you weekly one-on-one private coaching calls, live streamed interactive self-haircut tutorials, a private community group chat, and over 60 high-quality videos on the Teachable platform. To start saving your time and money by learning how to cut your own hair, click on the first link in the description to start today. Thank you, Self-Haircut Course, for sponsoring this video.
Now I want to emphasize how important it is that using a handheld mirror is very difficult. All right, I'm an expert at cutting my hair. I've been doing it for 13 years, and using a handheld mirror is very difficult because it limits your mobility, right? That's why I use the $7 mirror from Walmart or Target. So again, it's game changing to use the $7 mirror from Walmart or Target. If you have to use a handheld mirror, just know it's going to be way more difficult. Using the number 2 guard lever open, go up another half an inch, but this time go straight up off your head at a 90-degree angle, so that way you don't dig into your part line. Now to finish off the self-haircut, using the number 1.5 guard lever closed, go in and remove that final hard line. So I'm pretty much done with the self haircut, but if you guys want to see how I fade in my beard, right? It's a very, very fast way to fade in your beard. Only 4 simple steps. Click on this video right here to check it out. Again, you guys, cutting your hair with a handheld mirror is a difficult task on its own. That's why I always recommend you use the mirror setup that I use in all of my haircut videos. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and share it with a friend. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Check out the links below, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!